Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, yeah, it's going down. Making mouth water, saucy talk of the town. I know you're hungry, can't fight it, you will lose your breath. Quickie meals for your pleasure, here's another chef. Subscribe to the channel, Saucy, you be boss. Without further ado, I'm introducing sauce.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making cabbage steaks. The ingredients that we're going to need today are olive oil. I'm using adobo light all-purpose seasoning. You may use the seasoning of your choice, or you can add salt. We need onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper, and paprika, and also a head of cabbage. Okay, the first thing that you want to do is peel off all the top layers of the cabbage. Then we're just going to cut off the end, as you can see right here. We're going to make that flat. Okay guys, as you can see, I sliced off the end of the cabbage. So all we're going to do now is lay the cabbage flat. And now I'm going to begin to start to slice, and I'm going to make them about a half to 1 inch thick slices. Okay guys, I have my cabbage sliced. You don't want them sliced too thin or too thick. Okay guys, next you want to get a baking sheet and line it with a piece of parchment paper. Next you're going to lay your cabbage steaks on top. And now all I have is some olive oil and a brush. And we're going to brush the tops of the cabbage. Okay, once you're done, I'm going to go ahead and take some garlic powder, and I'm going to sprinkle it over top of each one. And remember guys, you can add as much as you would like. And add some onion powder. Remember, I'm using adobo light seasoning. You can use salt or whatever all-purpose seasoning of your choice. Add a little bit of black pepper. And then I'm going to add my paprika. Once you're done, make sure your hands are clean and just go ahead and rub it in on each one. Okay guys, once you're done, all you want to do is turn them over and repeat the process. Remember, it's your olive oil and then your seasonings. Okay guys, while you're preparing the other side, set your oven to 350 degrees. Okay guys, now your cabbage steaks are ready to go into the oven, 350 degrees for 35 to 40 minutes. Okay guys, so here we have it, our cabbage steak. They're full of flavor and they're very tender. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back, please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, this is Nana the Saucy Chef.